Hey, this video is for any student or the parent of a student who is doing online learning. Maybe you have a class schedule that your student keeps having to access every single day. We can make that a bookmark that's saved onto their home screen. It'll look something like this. Right here, I have a button that is actually the schedule for my students to click on. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If your teacher has sent that link, open up the link, and then at the very bottom of the screen in Safari, this only works for iPads or iPhones. Other methods exist for Android. Click this button at the very bottom and click Add to Home Screen. Then click Add. That's going to create a bookmark, which is actually something you can drag around like an app. You can put it into your education folder, and now, very easily, your child or you, the student, can easily access the Zoom links or Google Meets links at just the click of a button. No passwords to think about, easy peasy.